Welcome to the new part of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another application, and by this way we can see that we just create the new device folder on our home screen. Just to add here more applications, by the same way we can hold for a while the app and drag it here. Also we can rename the application just by click here on the name and enter the new name, for example the apps, then click here to OK. And as you can see, we just successfully renamed our device folder. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen. To change the position, just hold for a while folder and drag it, for example here to this left upper corner. Also we can create the new screens worthy folders by the same way, or also we can turn it back. And if you want to remove the applications from the folder, hold for a while and drag it here to the home screen again by this way. Or also we can do it by the second way, just by hold for a while and click here to remove. But don't worry, this application will remove only from device home screen and will stay with these apps in our apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.